Hi, Kerry here with a short video to help you understand how you read the workouts, how they're written down, and how you set up your timer for each of the workouts. Just go through the format to help you get these done correctly. Okay, so if you haven't already downloaded a timer app, then if you've got a smartphone, I suggest you use one of these apps and download one. It makes it so much easier. If you haven't, you just need a stopwatch, then that's fine, but it's better if you have something that will actually do the different intervals. Okay, so coming on to the first workout, which month 1 will be a fitness test. So you'll see the title of the workout first, followed by timer settings. So you need to set your timer for 40 seconds and a 20 seconds interval. So you see it written down as 40 seconds / 20 seconds times 10R. Now the 10R means that you need to set it for 10 rounds or 10 repeats of the 40-second, 20-second intervals. Okay, you then have the format, so it's a written explanation of how you do the workout. So this is an AMRAP, which is as many repetitions as possible. So you do as many repetitions as possible of exercise A1, so that's squat. So you set your timer up, 40 seconds, you do as many as you can in 40 seconds of squats. You've then got 20 seconds rest. In that 20 seconds you write down your score. Just because it's a fitness test, you need to write down your scores. Then you set yourself up for the next exercise, A2, which is press-ups. So you do 40 seconds of press-ups. When your timer goes ding or beep, whichever you set it for, you then have another 20 seconds rest. So write down your score, read the next exercise, get yourself set up for the next one. So you do that all the way through. So it's 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds of rest, write down your score, and then that repeats down for 10 exercises. So if you've set your timer as 40-20 with 10 repeats, that will set yourself up to do that first fitness test. Okay, moving on to day 2. Okay, each workout has a title, like I've said, and you'll notice there's a theme, a film theme to all of your workouts. So this one's Avatar. So the timer for this circuit is 20, 10 and 10 repetitions. And you'll also need a 1-minute rest set between. Okay, so if you've got the Gymboss, you can set up a 1-minute timer, so it's a separate timer. It could be that you just use the living room clock or a watch to do that 1 minute if it gets a bit too complicated for you. Okay, so the format for this is 20 seconds of exercise A1, which is lunges, 10 seconds rest. Then you move on to 20 seconds of A2, which is jumping jacks, 10 seconds rest, 20 seconds work of tricep dips, 10 seconds rest. So your timer should be beeping after the 20 seconds and the 10 seconds to tell you when to work and when to rest. So you're going to go through all these exercises down to the end, A10. Then you have the rest for 1 minute. So a nice little rest, stand, get your breath back. Then you're going to repeat this circuit for a second time through. So a total of 2 circuits through. So that's the workout for Avatar. Now it will say on some of them that you're to do the workouts twice in one day. So you can do that in the morning and then again in the evening. Or you could even do it back to back. So if you were doing it back to back, you would do this through 4 times. Okay, you'll notice some of the exercises are written in blue. If you click on those, then that will take you to a link to the YouTube video explanation of that exercise. Okay, so that's to make it nice and easy for you to read. You'll see on some of the exercises there's an arrow with a modified version. So for example, the lunge, if that's too difficult for you, an easier version would be to lunge but not go down as deep. Jumping jacks, the easiest version is to do half jacks. Tricep dips, you do them on the floor from both legs rather than one leg up. For mountain climbers, you can put your hands on the step. So these are just reminders of how you can modify and make the version slightly easier. Okay, also on the documents there'll be an exercise link, library link. So if you can click on that, that'll take you to the Busy Mum to Fit Mum website where the exercise library is. all the exercises are listed in alphabetical order there. So for month 1, you'll be mainly using, well, you'll only be using the exercises written and read. So if you click on the play button at the side and play again, that will show you once again the videos. So it's an easy way of finding the videos. So if you just want to look through all the videos first. Okay. Okay, so coming on to the next circuit, day 3, Avengers. This is slightly different format. Timer, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, and 12 repetitions, 12 repeats, 12 rounds. So that's how you set your timer up for that one. And then you also need the 1-minute timer for your rest. So this is 2 mini circuits. So you do 20 seconds work, 10 seconds rest, move on to the next exercise, then the next, then the next. Then you'll complete this little circuit of 4 exercises 3 times through. So you do 20 seconds, 10 seconds rest, through, repeat, repeat, repeat. Then you have 1-minute rest. Then you move on to circuit B. You go through those 4 exercises and you do those twice through. Okay. And so the next one's an accumulator one, and I'm sure you'll be able to work it out from there. 30 seconds on, 30 seconds rest, and you need to set that one up for 20 repetitions or 20 rounds, depending on your timer. Okay, I hope that explains a few things and makes it a little bit clearer. Any questions, anything you don't understand, stick a question in the Facebook group and I will answer your questions for you. Okay, bye for now.